Yep.
Oh, hi. This is tighter than I thought it would be.
Yeah, you can make it through. Where are we today?
We are at City Museum in St. Louis. I wasn't sure if it's the City Museum or just City Museum, but George told me it's just City Museum. And we're here because I wanted to come, but I don't really like tight spaces, and there's a lot of tight, windy spaces, and it's kind of like a big building of my fears.
Perfect spot to test it out.
Yeah, so a little bit of exposure therapy.
Yeah, it's definitely a funky spot. It's got a lot of personality. We've been here, I think I've been twice, and then she's been once, and it's a lot of fun. If you're ever in St. Louis area, it's definitely a place to hit up because it's very unique, so well worth the visit.
I read somewhere online that all of the stuff in here is recycled from the city, and they turn it into like a crazy jungle gym. I'm gonna start here because this is where I went in last time a couple of years ago, and I distinctly remember almost crying, so we'll see how it goes this year. Oh, I don't like that. Oh, I don't know. Can you see that?
It's tight.
So I'm in the little tubey thing, and that's seriously where I gotta go through right now. So it's probably gonna be shaky. I'm gonna try to bring you with me. And I'm not excited about this. Oh my God. George said he can fit through, so I know I've fit through before, but oh my God. So I just got through, and it's seriously that big. Is that George coming? Oh, that's George coming. I'll get George coming through. He's got to take the backpack off. Oh God. Oh, don't hit your head. All right, I need to keep moving. I'm freaking out. How was it?
It's a little tight, but we made it in. How was it down there?
Not good. It's really tight. But then you come out and there's this big open area. Even though it's all like caged in and dark and cramped, but compared to crawling through that tiny hole, oh my God, this is so much better. So I guess let's keep moving. I think I can fit through that.
Oh yeah.
I'm too short. So reach the other side.
You got it, go. Just keep pushing your body through.
There we go.
All that someone else is doing. Made it to the plane.
Some of us aren't tall enough like you to just throw our leg up. That's kind of high.
Yeah, don't touch that.
So I just came through there, and I'm about to go through here to where George is. Oh.
It is going to be tight.
It's like I'm back at McDonald's.
Oh my gosh.
not bad.
Yeah, but I didn't like these tunnels even when I was like 4 years old. It's hot in here too.
Yeah, it's nice now.
It's like all the conditions that have to not have it tight.
I'm gonna go this way.
You go that way?
Yeah. That's where I gotta go through. And I gotta get over this pipe or under it. I don't know which one's easier. It's a little tight. That's where I came through that way. Whatever you want it to be. That's the fun of City Museum.
I didn't know if I was going to slide down or not. Oh, lovely.